Hi, I'm Patrick. I just wanted to show you Task Mosaic. And the idea behind this is to create a vision, figure out what goals you need to complete that vision, and figure out what tasks you need to complete your goals to get to your vision. So let me kind of talk through this. It sounds a little complicated, but really it's not. So let's just say your vision, we're going to go right down here to describe your vision. I want to buy a house. And I want to buy, let's just call it a craftsman style house. And I want to be happy, and I don't know, Christmas makes me happy. Christmas time, playing in the sandbox, playing in the snow. Craftsman, snow, Christmas lights. Okay, and I'm going to generate a prompt. And what this is doing, it doesn't even matter that I spelled Christmas wrong. Generating a prompt will give you a prompt here. No, it won't because it's broken. Right prompt. Generating prompt. You got to wait for this generating prompt. What that does is going to OpenAI, ChatGPT. It's taking your kind of rough ideas and it's going to create a better prompt to send to the image generating AI, which would be DALI 3 in this case. So you got to give it a second here, let it finish generating the prompt. See here it says failed to load AI images. If you make it something that potentially conflicts with, it probably didn't say anything wrong, it's just oversensitive on the AI tool. It'll say fail to load AI image, which means it thought you were saying something was against its policies. Okay, so from here, get this for just craftsman style house, snow, Christmas time. Uh, Here it says a much more craftsman style nestled in a winter wonderland. House should be a stunning example. Just go ahead and generate image. But you can also go into here if you want and play with that wording. You can make it an oil painting, or you can make it look like a Picasso. But we try to put in a little words to try to make it more of an inspiring image. So again, we've got to wait for a second here for this to say generating image. While it's doing that, let's jump up here, create some tasks. So I'm going to create a couple new goals. If my goal is to own a house, it's not working either. Why is that not working? Let's play with this one for a second. What's going on with this thing? No, this is working. So, tool. Okay. Sure, I don't know why that's giving me such a hard time. See here while we're generating, it's like small details like hand carved trims and multi pane windows. Seems in the twilight hours of snowy Christmas. Snowflakes. Christmas lights should be tastefully arranged. Warm, soft colored lights. Again, just a lot more details to help the AI generating image generator. Just take a minute. It just disappeared. Let's see if it's here in the mosaic. Another bug I need to fix. There it is. Okay, so there's my image. but I can't see the image. If you think about it, I'm going to add some tasks here. Just, you know what, just operating slow with um, these goals and subtasks. So to get to my image, you think about it, get to my, what do I need? I probably need to, if I want to buy a house, I probably need to improve my FICO score. Right? I probably need to save money for a down payment. If you think about what are the tasks to improve my FICO score, I have to get my credit report. Wasn't that subtask? Maybe I just need to, pull the report. How do I do that real quick? I'm going to, oh, report. I believe this is the free one. Here, myfico.com, my FICO scores. Right now, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to actually add this link. We'll figure this out later. It's weird. I have to fix that too. Okay. Now, the link is gone. It's all sorts of, it's all working before. All right. Just figure out what you're going to work on this week. If you think about it, say for down payment, I want to, I don't know, make sure my money is in um, a T-bills, something that's safe, it's generating interest. Move money to T-bills. T-bills. And I also need to side hustle. Maybe the task, the subtask of that is look into 10 side hustle options. Pick one. All right. I'm going to get both those done this week. I'll get my money at T-bills and I'll pull the report. So now I just have some basic things. Let me add one more goal here of finish my boss's report. I can't get fired. That's not going to help me buy my house either. Okay. Now if I go to Mosaic, I start to see all of these tasks. And these tasks are blocking my vision. So as I do these tasks, I can start to see it as I pull this credit report, right? As I start doing these subtasks, my vision starts to reveal itself. That's the idea. How do you get inspired to get those tasks, those mundane tasks out of the way? Right? So that's all we're trying to do. Now up here is a timer. So the idea is just pick enough tasks. For this is by the end of the week. So in this example, I've got 2 days and 15 hours and 12 minutes until Sunday at midnight. I want to get all these tasks done. So you're not necessarily trying to get everything done, just the tasks you want to get done this week. And then when you get them all done, right, you can celebrate and then go back and figure out what's the next thing you need to do on this list. All right. So yeah, keep trying it out. We're gonna have a Facebook group. So go to Task Mosaic Facebook group. You can do a copy of your photo, where you got, how much progress you made. Ask for tips on writing inspiring mission for your vision, that kind of thing. So check us out there, and thank you for watching.